National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, extreme southeastern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Waterford, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Wind Lake by 11:15 p.m., Hales Corners, Greenfield, and Greendale by 11:40 p.m., West Milwaukee and downtown Milwaukee by 11:50 p.m. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building, in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot, and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Wisconsin. Tornado emergency for the Milwaukee area. This is a tornado emergency for Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. At 11:37 p.m., a tornado was spotted 5 miles southeast of downtown Milwaukee, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Damage has been reported in several areas. The city of Greenfield has been leveled by this tornado. It is expected that the tornado will enter the Milwaukee area in the next 5 minutes. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. Tornadoes at night are especially dangerous. Take cover now. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Tornado emergency for the Milwaukee area.